How to upload a video on Twitter. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Twitter account on your mobile. As you open Twitter on your mobile, then you will have a plus option that will be right over there in the corner. Click on that. As you click on the plus option, then go to tweet option. You click on that. As you click on that, then go down in the bottom, you will have an option of media. Click on that. As you click on this media option, then select any video you want to put on your tweet. By selecting any video, let's say I'm selecting this video. Now it will take some time to load. As it takes some time to load, then click on done option. As you click on done option, now you can post this video on Twitter. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.